if you have, we have also shown yesterday, by the way, in the evening, our latest micro LED headlamp, and I agree with the guy from even he's a competitor before, that there is of course a micro LED is a very good development tool which we need to develop further as we have closer distances between the chips, and that is how it works in the future. And then I will show you as a summary that this is what we are looking for. We have to create new ideas. That is important, that we can realize the safety aspect. We can look at this performance compared with standard module, and micro LED is another good chance to realize this in the future. And now I will show you at the end this photo movie with comments from the photos, which you are very well know. This is the face of one of my photos, and he's now saying, you can tell me it's late, but then it's okay, but now it's a photo movie. So here what we see is nothing. That is not. That means if the car, if the photon is not switched on, then is of course no photon. Here you see the photons which are telling you what is our direction to go in the future. First of all, I have to introduce my driver with a sportive car. He is representing, is a traffic participant here in our case. And then we see that at the beginning we showed the dynamic bending, AFS, and we see when you don't have it static, the deer is of course finished. And then the only advantage could be that you can, in the hunting season, you can take it at home for free, but the better is to have the AFS. Then we discussed in the recent the fight between the laser photons with the pencil beam structure and the normal standard photons, and we saw why the hell are these photons going in the direction that you need a binocular with this pencil beam in order to see that far. Why is that interesting? Is of course, hopefully it's in the option of this solution is included. Then the photon understood that the luminance is a very important point, and therefore we can differentiate between short distance and the long distance. When we look at, you see with a higher luminance, photons can travel faster and longer, and then we form a very good relation. The next problem is adverse weather. The photon is saying, what the hell, I'm flying here against these objects, then I get hurt. Better is to find a solution where this could be passed. You have a wonderful view of the situation ahead of us. The solution is, by the way, under development. It's not yet finished. Here the photons are very intelligent ones. They also have energy saving proposal. As you can see here in the conference, they decide why we should switch on every time the photon. They can go sleep for a while when there is a lot of traffic. You cannot apply the ADB full high beam. And therefore, and then is very important is in the soccer game that you see a couple of photons alone is not the team. The team is then successful when they know better than only passing the ball different company, different people, and so it's only a 0-0. We have to have the innovative ideas with this path in the vertical direction to open everything and being successful. So, and then we are the photons also understand that the typical requested light distribution is not to put the light in the front only, and you see also in the way the driver is driving that he is very close to the steering wheel. They are only seeing 10-15 meters ahead. Is not what we need, and therefore we can this is different luminance variation. What I showed, you are able to concentrate on a longer distance, and this is done with this projector systems, various kinds which we have developed, is here indicated with the turbo elements, and therefore we have practically the chance to realize a good seeing distance and a comfortable foreground illumination. And so everybody is happy, including this guy and the photons. And this is how we have to generate our spirit for the future as plastic omnium lighting, that we have to be dynamics, we need the passion for looking for individual competitive solutions, and that is what I'm contributing as well, as best as I can, and thank you for your attention.